What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to another video. You know what time it is. It's time for the end of the month recap for the month of October. Let's get into it.
Nerf this!
So if you are finding my channel for the first time, the end of the month recap is something I do to hold myself accountable and see how I did at the end of each month in 5 different categories. Those 5 categories are financially, socially, physically, mentally, and spiritually. I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started, so make sure you're subscribed and you turn the post notifications on so you'll be alerted every time I post a video just like this one and you won't miss a thing. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. First, let's start off with financially. Financially, I did okay this month. I hit all my goals that I should have as far as, income is concerned. However, there were some unforeseen expenses that came up, like I had to pay for Lily's car because she got into a little accident. So there was that, and we paid for the photographer for our wedding. So I had more money going out than I anticipated for this month. That's why I rated a 3, because I did get the money I wanted to come in, but I didn't anticipate the money going out. So I'm gonna rank myself a 3 for financially. Spiritually, I'm giving myself a 5 this month, guys. I freaking kicked ass spiritually. I wrote down my goals every single day in the month of October, and if I didn't fill them in the 5-minute journal, I have a notepad at work that I meant to bring in, which I don't have on me, that, I wrote down all my goals and my affirmations and all that stuff. So spiritually, I was definitely a 5 this month. Definitely the best month I've had in recent memory, spiritually speaking. Mentally, I'm giving myself a 4. I had a lot of good days. I only had a couple days this month where I just wasn't having it. So mentally, overall, I had a good month. Physically, I'm giving myself a 5. Physically, I kicked ass. I didn't miss a workout. I ate right, 99% of the time. If I did have a cheat meal, it wasn't that bad. I didn't go too overboard. I'm seeing progress in the gym. I'm seeing progress in my physique. So I'm definitely giving myself a 5 for physically. And last but not least, socially, I'm gonna give myself a 4. I've definitely been, keeping in contact with all my friends, and I've been getting on accountability calls and, just reaching out to people through social media and, live people. I've seen my friends a couple times this month, and Lily and I have done things because it was both our birthdays this month, so we definitely were out and about doing things. We just went to brunch with Whitney last week, so we did a lot this month. So a 4 for the social aspect of the month of October. So if my math is right, it was a 4.2 for the month out of 5, which has been my best month since I've started making this little series. So I set out a goal for last month for October to be my best month, and thus far it was, but I'm telling you what, I'm gonna kick October's ass in the month of November. I hope you join me. That was my little end of the month recap, guys. If you do like this video, please give it a like and let me know in the comments below how you did in the month of October. Keep crushing it. Let's kick some ass. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks so much. Signing off.